Hi friends, these are some fun things that I found at my local Dollar Tree on September 27th, 2023. As you can see, there are tons and tons of cute and fun Halloween things that they have at my local Dollar Tree. These super cute signs, these really cool looking flowers to dress up your Halloween decor, some fun scarecrows that you could put in a plant or outside your front door, and some buckets for your Halloween candy. They also had so many different things for the kitchen and for parties. You can see they have some tape there that you could decorate with to make your house look spooky. Some cute trick-or-treat boxes here that would make great little gifts or for putting your Halloween candy in. They also have some adorable skeletons and those hands there. They had skeleton heads and some garland that you could use to decorate with. They had these cute little gnomes and adorable ghosts. I just want to buy all of them and have a Halloween party. They have these cute the pictures that you could put on your wall. As you can see, this Dollar Tree also is getting ready for Christmas, so I'm going to do a video with all the Christmas things that I found. So stay tuned, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna put a new, here's some more cute green ribbon for only $1.25. And the leaves here, it's garland leaves you could decorate with. Pumpkin, what do you call those things? Pumpkin, if you know what I'm talking about, that you put into, picks, little picks, pumpkin picks. I need to slow down my video here because there's just so much good stuff to look at. I got some of these actually for Thanksgiving. They're napkins, and they had plates that go with them. I didn't get those plates, but I got the other plates that match those napkins. They had, there they are, there's the plates. They have all these cute little pumpkin things that you could use. That's the other plate and napkins that could go for Thanksgiving. It looks like this one they were larger plates right there. There were 6 larger plates, and then they have this platter for only $1.25. So colorful. Looks just like fall with those pretty leaves on them. And then I love these. These are ceramic pumpkins. I did not buy these, but I'm gonna go back today. I think I'm gonna get the orange and the maroon right here, and I think maybe there was a sage green color that was really pretty, if they still have them. Make sure if you see something at the Dollar Tree, go ahead and buy it, because I've seen things there and then the next day I go and they're not there. And this is super cute too. This wreath basket for your door. This one was $5 in their $5 section. Then they had that garland right there. It's a leaf garland that lights up. I did buy that. I haven't figured out what I'm going to use that for, but I will make a video once I use that in my house. I'll be showing you how I decorated in my house. I love these platters. They're not platters. This one's a sign, but those platters back there were I guess you could use for charcuterie. These are adorable, these skeletons. They also light up. My husband would love these. I'm probably going to go back and maybe get one of these for him. We kind of live out in the country, so we don't decorate as much for Halloween, but this store makes me want to decorate for Halloween. Maybe I'll buy it for my daughter for her house because they get lots of trick-or-treaters. These are cute signs for putting outside your door or even in your kitchen. And then these were, oh my goodness, these are so cute. These have mist that come out of them. And these pumpkin light up things. Also, they had several of these inflatables for only $5. I've seen them at Walmart, I think, for around $16. So that is an amazing deal. Then they've got these spider web lights and those other lights that you could use. So many different things. These little pumpkin things were something you could put, maybe, I'm not really sure what, if you have an idea, let me know in the comments what we could use these for. These signs were made out of metal. This stuff is in the $5 and the $3 section. These were cute. The Hocus Pocus little platter signs. And more inflatables. They have so many of these. I think they're around, I think I counted maybe around 6 different kinds of inflatables. 4 feet, which is fairly tall for $5. Really good deal. Let's see here. Also, these spider web lights. These were the ones that said they had 8 different functions on them, which is a lot of functions. So that would be super cool looking to decorate your house or for a party. They had them in purple and I think orange. Then they have these other kind of teardrop looking lights. So many things. Oh, this bat pom-pom garland. Super cute. And these were 2-tiered trays. This one had ghosts on it. And there was one, the other one that's black. Oops. This one that's black right here has spider webs on that. So those are cute. You could decorate with. And this is hilarious. Those teeth that are on the flower. Then they've got skeleton things, and I'm not sure what, I guess that's a spider. And we've got, these are tablecloths, $3 for the tablecloth, which is still a good deal for what you're getting. And these were adorable. 10-pack of these plates. There was a mummy, Frankenstein, and a cute witch. That seemed like a pretty good deal for 10 of those. And then those cups, zombie repellent, glasses, cups, you name it, they've got it. This particular Dollar Tree had so many things for Halloween. It's so cute. This is a cat, again, for whatever you would like to. You could even put a plant in it. Let's see here. These were some bags that you could use for a party. And for your kitchen, you could use that towel. And these are some garland. Oh, I bought that one. It says Happy Halloween. I'm going to maybe use it in my classroom. Oh, and I love these. These were cookie cutters and trick or treat. And what else do we have here? Oh, those necklaces have like skeletons on them. And some trick or treat bags. These are for parties. You could put some candy in it. And then this was super cute too. These little rings, eyeballs, and notebooks for gifts, little favors, and erasers. And let's see here. Oh yeah, you could decorate a pumpkin with this scary looking mouth and eyeballs. And there's that. Oh, they had those cute little things for your back of your chairs. A jack-o'-lantern and skeleton. And more of that drapey stuff you could put to decorate with, more boxes, and those necklaces. Love these baskets for buckets for trick-or-treating, Halloween, coloring books. And then these are cute, these little hats and ghosts that you could put on a door. These signs, those are $5, the tall signs. And what else do we have here? Cute little Count Dracula and skeletons that you could hang up. And we've got more creepy cloths that you can decorate with. And these little tombstones were cute. Oh, these light up too. These are solar. These would look really nice outside. And the garland. We've got, these are cool. They project. I should buy that just to see if it actually works. And these are cute to hang from the ceiling. And some scarecrows that say welcome. They had 4 different colors. I couldn't decide which color I wanted to get. Then more signs. Love these. Might go back and get that one and show y'all how I decorated with it in my house. Super, super adorable signs. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. If you like this content, please like and share, and I will make another video tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.